Hello, in this new video I'm going to show you how to create some icons like these ones so you could add your presets to the scene file like this one. So let's get started. I have this shirt right here and this one will be the example that I'm going to use. The first thing that I need to do is go to Content Browser, Presets. In here you need to go to File, New Preset Library and put some name. I'm going to call this one shirt. Now we have this new file. Go back to Objects and drag this shirt right here. So you will have this. Let's go to Script, Script Manager. Make sure you click on File, New, so you will have something like this. Let's delete all this. Let's go to line 2 and change this to Documents. Let's move to Def Main and let's add a new name. I'm going to use a name like add to equal. Let's put documents, leave small space, dot, capital M, merge, capital D, document, parenthesis, doc, comma, single quote. Now here we need to put preset because it's in the preset area. Column, double slash. Now we need to put the name of the folder, which is shirt, and add dot lib4d slash, then the name of the object, which is capital T S shirt, single quote, comma, C4D dot capital scene filter underscore objects bar C4D dot capital scene filter underscore materials close parenthesis, hit enter. And here we need to put if the name, which is add to, is false, column print single quote, and you could put anything right here like nothing here, enter, return true, enter, C4D dot capital E event add parenthesis. That's it. Let's try and see. Execute, and now we have a shirt. You can create an icon for this one, so we need to go to File and Save. Once you save this one, you could put an icon, load icon. I'm going to put one and save again. Once you have everything saved, you just need to go to Script, User Script, and here you have this icon. You could go to Windows Customization, Customize command, and put shirt, and you will find your new icon right here. So you could just drag it and put it right there. So you could add as many as you needed. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Bye.